This will help back fat, armpit fat. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is the second part to the lower body barbell workout that I did last video. So today I'm going to be doing upper body barbell workout. So complete upper body. We're gonna go back, bicep, tricep, shoulders, and chest. I always wait to do my upper body in the end of the week because I'm so tired. I don't have any strength to do legs. You can always throw in some HIIT cardio in between if one of your goals is fat loss. If not, then go ahead and go heavy as you can with these. Shoulder workouts, you always want to go slightly lighter so you don't hurt yourself. Make sure to stretch first. If you are a beginner, just make sure that you start with the bar only and then slowly add in weight, like 2.5 pounds. So this upper body workout is gonna lean you up for summer. This will help back fat, armpit fat, define your shoulders, and get some nice biceps and triceps. So let's do it. Let's get our pump on. First, you're gonna start by choosing your weight. If you are a beginner, you will choose just the bar and maybe 2.5 pounds on each side, or just start with the bar. We are doing quite a bit of shoulders in this exercise workout routine. So make sure that you do choose a weight that you can perform about 12 reps of each exercise. I even went down in my weight because this can be quite taxing on your shoulders and your rotator cuff. If you go too heavy, you may hurt yourself, so just be very careful. So for this exercise EMOM circuit, you're going to be doing a lot of supersets. So that's 2 exercises in a row with no rest in between. So what we're doing right here is a deadlift curl press. So you're gonna have an overhand grip instead of an underhand grip. And we're just gonna go ahead and deadlift, pull your core into your spine, squeeze your glutes, come right back up again. You're gonna curl that bar right to your shoulders, and then you're gonna press it up. If you're feeling super fancy and extra today, then you can do a row. So with the row, that would be a tricep. That's 3 exercises in a row with no rest in between, kind of all meshed into one exercise. Because you know me, I'm super fancy all the time and creative with my workouts. So you don't get bored, of course. So I showed you the first part, I didn't do a row. The second part, I am. So if your bar is too heavy, just go ahead and pop off one of your weights. Or if you have a 2.5 on there and you're a beginner, pop off the 2.5, just use the bar. This can be a very challenging combination exercise complex, but it'll definitely make you stronger. So what you're going to do is you're gonna pull your core into your spine, feet are hip width apart, squeeze your glutes, and you're gonna squeeze your back together. Shoulders are down so that you can engage your lats. Your lats are in your back. And you're gonna lift that bar straight up. Elbows are slightly bent. You never wanna lock any joints out. It's just kind of dangerous, so I would just suggest not doing that. And then you're going to bring it back down again, and you're going to do a curl. So for this exercise, your hands are a little bit wider than hip width. They're not straight in front of you so that you can really engage your biceps and your lats in just a different way than you normally would. As that bar comes down to the ground each time, resist against the bar and really try to squeeze those lats and biceps. Okay, on to the next exercise for this circuit. We're going to do an upright row. So I'll give you a little bit of a break. This is just a single exercise movement. There's no superset or tricep. So feet are hip width apart, squeeze your glutes, pull that core into your spine, really use your breath. You're gonna bring the bar up to your chest, and you're gonna exhale as you bring it up, inhale as you bring it down. Now I want you to really think about the muscle to mind connection in the back of your shoulders. squeeze your rear delts as you bring your elbows up. Okay, so it's not just an upright row for your shoulders, but it's also for your rear delts. So really be mindful of that. All right, going into the next one. Here we go. We're gonna do an underhand grip. As you can see, we're gonna do a deadlift, row, curl. So this is actually going to help with that back fat that we get in the back of our armpits. So you're gonna have a nice close grip. So your hands are just lined up on the outside of your legs. And we're gonna go ahead and bring the bar down our legs, almost rubbing up against them. You're gonna push your hips to the back room, squeeze your glutes, pull your core in, stand straight up, squeeze your glutes again, curl up to your chest, and then repeat that. Really resist each time that bar comes down from your curl, so resist right here. As you come into your row, draw your elbows through the ceiling, squeeze the back of the arms where your armpits are, like somebody's tickling you, and try to pause for a couple seconds. Remember to keep that bar as close to your thighs as you possibly can the whole entire time. This is key in really feeling that back fat armpit area. With your bicep curls, make sure that you keep those elbows in front of your body more so than behind your body. This will actually help you to engage your abdominals a lot more too in the exercises. Okay, here we go. Last exercise in this EMOM upper body barbell workout circuit. So we're gonna do skull crushers, and I get into the workout either how I just got into it, or I can put the bar down on the ground and just grab it from behind. So what we're gonna do is we're going to press our arms straight up to the ceiling in a straight line. Again, pull your core into your spine. Use your breath. As you exhale, press the bar to the ceiling. Bring the bar back down as if you're going to crush your skull with the bar. That's why they're called skull crushers. I want you to really feel the stretch in your tricep. That's the back of the arms. So bring the bar down nice and slow, resisting down and then pressing right back up again. So resist down for a count of 2 and then a count of 1 up. And I usually tell that to all my beginners because it just helps you control the motion and learn the exercises a little better. Keep the wrists straight as possible. You don't want to bend your wrists. So you want to pretend like you're punching the ceiling with your knuckles. So we're going to come down into our tricep chest press here. And you're just gonna touch your elbows down to the ground and then press straight back up again. And really squeeze your elbows into your body as you come down and as you press up. This exercise is really gonna help with that armpit fat in the front area and help to tone it all up. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a workout. Click that bell because notifications sometimes randomly get turned off by YouTube. I don't know why, but click the bell, subscribe, and like the video. Share it with somebody who might need the workout. Thank you so much for all your support. I super appreciate you guys like so much. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye.